This is a 2009 Audi A4. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Plus package, a power moonroof, heated seats, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather interior, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.